in a batchmate's house kasi nag-edit kami. We're editing a documentary. Starting this vlog like Tuesday. Halloween weekend. I don't know what's my plan. And matawag sa akin yung Shopee ko. Wait lang. I look like shit because I don't have sleep. Siguro mga 3 oras lang or then nag-edit ulit kami. I'm so fucking tired. Hi! I'm home. I'm trying on my Halloween costume. This is not it. I'm trying to guess what I am. I love these pants so much. Oh my god. It's just a quick like costume because I don't have time to buy like any other. I wanted to go as someone like a Theo costume, but they're busy, so it's the best I can do. It's the best I can do. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm wearing a duster. I just got out of the shower. Just finished freshening up, so I want to be comfortable, okay? This one's the top, the white top. These are my gifts for Ate Sab. Actually, there's more that I ordered. It's not here yet though. I'm gonna open it so bad. But I'm not gonna show you because I'm gonna post this on like Sunday. And it's not her birthday yet, so I'm not gonna show it to you. Because I feel like she's gonna watch this vlog. So, good luck, Ate Sab. Advance happy birthday. Hi, so I'm currently finding more costumes kasi I feel like masyadong boring yung Magic Mike. So, ayun, wait lang. It's the second fit. Like, schoolgirl. Tapos, galing ako ng kapalit like bite marks dito. Or schoolgirl na zombie. Gulat kami, asan ito? Joke lang. Joke lang! Wala nga! Uwi na siya.
Nakita ko nga.
Ano ba?
First appearance ko sa vlog mo, laman ako ng lamon.
Walang ano?
Laman ako ng lamon.
So, tao tayo, kumakain tayo. Diba?
Are you gonna put that sa vlog mo? Guys, parang lang konti. I'm so tired na sa course ko. Pero okay lang kasi
Masarap daw.
tigas.
Tangin na din. Yan.
To pre, oh. Report sa akin to, pre. Dislike.
Ha? Hoy, wala talaga.
Ay, wala.
It's green. What the fuck?
Parang yung ilaw-ilaw ng solar. Nag-aano siya. Science to, guys.
Sige po.
Nag-aano siya. Ano tawag doon? Nagre-reflect siya.
No, fine.
Stress yan siya.
Ang pangit ng lighting.
Okay ka nga. Lapit mo sa mukha mo.
Ano pa rin sila? Wala akong ilaw. Wala akong ilaw. Namatay yung LED lights ko. Tapos, yung main light ko, hindi pa nila pinapalitan. Paano ako mag-makeup bukas? Ano, kinikilig pa rin ako. Wala lang. I'm happy. Happy.
4 a.m. and hindi kami makatulog. Nila cheese stir fry ramen. Sa akin, at hindi ano to. Hindi ko kasi bet yung amoy.
Hi, it's Thursday. Wala naman ako masyadong ginawa kahapon. Nag-rehearsals lang. I'm getting ready to go to the Halloween party. And umalis na sila, Kat. Umuwi na sila. So I'm just getting ready. I'm already wearing my top. So I'm gonna do my hair, some lashes, and I'm gonna do my makeup and the kiss marks. So I'm done getting like ready. I'm just waiting for a move it or Angkas to accept. Like, is it raining outside? I don't even know. I don't hear anything. So I don't know if it's raining or what. But no one's accepting my booking, so I'm just here. I didn't eat, but I feel like I didn't eat, so yeah. This is the only bag that I'm taking, and they were asking me to fucking bring like makeups. Am I a fucking Watsons to you? It's not like I can carry all that shit to a bar, to a club. Hello? That is so embarrassing. Imagine like, sure, I'll accept it if I have a big bag, then I'm gonna go to a club because I came from school. It's fine. Okay, I have a big bag. Okay, that's fine. If I'm at home and I'm getting ready and you're asking me to bring all that kind of shit, just find something online, because y'all need to be creative y'all need to be creative. Also, my lights are like this because it's the only color now. I mean, it's not even like a solid like one color. It's like a strobe, I think. The only thing that's not turning off. So there. Also, my mirror is not yet fixed. So I'm literally, the only light I have right now is from my mirror. Okay, I'm yapping again, and I know for a fact that I'm just gonna cut these parts, so well, at least I look pretty. Hi, I'm fixing my stuff, pero I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm actually debating if I should wear these Converse or those heels, but those are like 5 inches, so I don't know. I'm gonna put this backwards later. As of right now, this is a fit. This is my fit, so basic, but I didn't have time. So yeah. I'll see you later because I'm currently booking a move it, so I can go now. So it's fucking raining. Nag-deadrat lang ako kahapon, kaya I didn't vlog anything. And since wala nang hangover ko. Okay, we gotta go. Bye. I'm on the way sa LRT to meet up with Rachel.
Mag-bring up na. Yung ganda. Nakikita ko na naman sarili ko sa vlog.
Parang pinakamarami exposure ikaw.
Kasi ako ganito.
Kahit alam mo
Kaya naman yung naka-exposure din tayo. Go. Ako. Iyak for the...
New Asia. I love it. We're going sa expo na. Uy, hindi na ako makapunta sa October. Kasi nagkasakit ka. Oo. I mean, okay. See you sa expo. Bigla kami nag-shuttle. Ganda ng gupit niya. Guys, I'm home. Card na lang.
Magkasama talaga tayo. Yung alaman na nagiging pa isang araw.
Oopsie, girls, we're here. It's us again. Eating. Ayun, dapat na rin ako. Hi, Pa! Bye, gang! Guys, gang! Ay, di bagay! Ay! Sisigaw ko lang. Ako rin! Sino to? Ako yung nagpaparamdam eh.